Good day, everybody. It's me, Connie, from the Danville Public Library in Danville, Illinois. And here we are today, and it's going to be up, and away for our summer reading program. And I'm going to show you today how to make a hot air balloon that looks like this one right here, blowing in the wind, okay? And you're going to come to our curbside service here at the library, and you can come Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 to 1, or Tuesday, Thursday from 2 to 6 p.m. And you're going to pick up a packet that looks like this. Everything you need to make this hot air balloon is in your packet, except you'll need a little bit of white glue. So when you get your packet home, take some glue and put a little water in it and make it really pretty thin. And then you're going to get a sheet of acetate, and you're going to get a balloon that looks like this. And what you're going to do is take your little bitty sheets of tissue paper, put glue on them, and make yourself an acetate balloon. That goes under here like this, and there's the main part of your balloon. After that's finished, you're going to add the basket to your balloon that makes it look like that, and then this is the piece that hooks it all together. You'll have a string to put on the top of your balloon, and you'll have two strings to hook your basket down here. And when you're all finished, your hot air balloon will look like this, and you'll be able to fly it, and you can use all of your colors. Anything you want to use, you can use some red and blue. You can make it 3 colors, 4 colors. There's a whole packet of little tissues already cut. And so that's going to be your hot air balloon project. Up, and away for summer reading. Get started, and remember, pick up a reading log too next week at the library and begin reading to earn prizes for summer reading. Thanks, everybody. We miss you.